Hey guys, Teresa Barber with Sippie Couture and Sippie Couture community. Okay, please be kind. We had a day of baseball today and it was really hot. But I have a really exciting giveaway I want to tell you guys about, and I'll let you know how to get in on this. I want to keep this giveaway super simple. I don't have any stickers with me, and now I'm kind of regretting this, not having these stickers, but this is a turner setup from Deno's Tumbler Turners. Their website is denostumblers.com. This is a 2-cup mini. It has a quick release technology where you can just take this off and on, just with one little click. You can do it one-handed with your cup on there. It's not too heavy. I'm also giving away these honeycomb inserts. I have 4 of them. And this will also come with these 2 extra arm attachments. I was so blessed and excited and thankful to be able to teach at the Tumbler extravaganza last week in Orlando. And we got a turner, and I'm not the type to keep a bunch of stuff that I don't use, and I do have a bunch of turners already, and I really feel like I want to pay this forward and send this off to somebody. So we're going to keep winning this super simple, guys. I'm going to ask you very kindly to like this TikTok, to go on the Sippie Couture community Facebook page. It's a group, guys. You have to join that group, and you're going to see this video in that group. You need to like this video. That's pretty much it. I would love for you guys to go over to Deno's Tumbler Turners and check them out on TikTok and Facebook as well. That would just mean the world to me. Sandy and Dennis are just the sweetest people and always so willing to give and help, and they just really make great products. So I'm really excited to be able to give this away and also tell you about the coupon code I have for them. It is my coupon code. Sorry, I'm just excited about this. The coupon code is Sippie10, S-I-P-P-I-E, and the number 10 behind it. And that will save you if you decide to go ahead and purchase. They do custom ones. Like I said, this is a 2-cup mini. They can do, I've seen everything. I've seen them stacked, I've seen them long. They're just, like I said, amazing people. So get in on this giveaway at Sippie Couture community Facebook group. Like this post, and please go ahead and check out, we're on YouTube at Sippie Couture, Facebook, the group that I just told you about, and here on TikTok, guys. So good luck. We're going to do this drawing on Wednesday. That's this Wednesday, I don't know what day it is. This Wednesday, coming up, 20-something. 27th. Thank you, Gary. We're doing this the 27th, guys. Not sure the time. It's going to be in the evening, possibly 7:30 Central. So stay tuned. We'll see you there, and good luck, guys. Bye.